Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a lot of crystals on Roblox Tower Defense X. So basically, if you have gold, you can talk to Ronald here and you can convert your gold into crystals. Now, it's not very efficient because as you can see, 150 gold equals one crystal only. So, and I only have 300, but yeah, you can do that if you have a lot of gold. The other efficient way is to just play Nightmare mode. I actually have not played this game yet, but as you can see, Ultra Nightmare, our hardest mode ever, is out now. There is Ultra Nightmare, but I suggest you just doing the Nightmare mode instead. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!